Looking for the perfect adult bicycle but overwhelmed by all the choices out there? Well, you're in the right place. Today we're ranking 5 of the best bikes for adults, from the ones that might leave you wanting more to the absolute best option on the market. Stick around to find out which one takes the crown. At number 5, we have the Schwinn Hinge Adult Folding Bike. If you're looking for a budget-friendly folding bike for short trips or casual rides, this might catch your eye. It's designed for convenience, folding down into a compact size that makes storage easy. But compared to other bikes in this lineup, it falls short in versatility and performance, which is why it lands at the bottom of our ranking. The Hinge features a single-speed drivetrain, meaning there's no need to shift gears, ideal for flat, urban environments where you don't need a lot of variety in your ride. The steel frame gives it a solid, sturdy feel, and it comes with a rear cargo rack for carrying essentials. It also includes fenders to help protect you from road debris or water splashes. It's a simple, no-fuss option for those who need something compact and easy to store. But here's the catch. This bike is heavy for a folding model, coming in at 33 pounds. Plus, with only a single speed, it struggles with hills, making it less versatile than multi-gear options. The folding mechanism also isn't the smoothest, so if you're looking for something ultra convenient, you might be disappointed. If you live in a flat city and need a simple commuter bike, the Schwinn Hinge could work for you. But if you want something lighter, easier to fold, or better suited for various terrains, you might want to keep watching. And if you're interested in any of the bikes from today's review, check out the links in the description for the best prices online. Moving on to number 4, we have the Huffy Stone Mountain Hardtail Mountain Bike. If you're after an affordable way to get into mountain biking, this bike has some appeal. It comes in multiple sizes, making it a versatile pick for different riders. However, despite its entry-level charm, it has some drawbacks that hold it back from climbing higher on our list. The front suspension fork helps absorb shocks on bumpy trails, and the 21-speed Shimano drivetrain on larger models offers a good range of gears to tackle various terrains. The lightweight all-terrain tires are built to handle dirt paths and light trails, and assembly is relatively easy compared to some other bikes. However, the Huffy Stone Mountain has a few downsides. It's heavy, even the smaller models start at over 30 pounds. The twist shifters aren't the smoothest, making shifting feel stiff at times. Another issue is that some riders have reported paint durability problems and handlebars needing frequent tightening, which can be frustrating over time. If you're looking for a starter mountain bike that won't break the bank, this is a solid choice. Just keep in mind that you might need to tweak and maintain it more often. And before we continue, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more in-depth reviews like this one. Taking the third spot is the Schwinn Loop Folding Bike, a folding bike that brings more versatility to the table than the Schwinn Hinge. With a 7-speed drivetrain, it can handle small hills and varying terrains better than a single-speed option. If you need a sturdy folding bike that can tackle both short commutes and moderate rides, this might be the one for you. Unlike the Hinge, the aluminum frame makes it more rust-resistant, and the rear cargo rack is great for carrying bags or groceries. The folding process is simple, and once collapsed, it's compact enough to fit in a car trunk or under a desk. The 7-speed Shimano tourney system is a huge upgrade over single-speed models, making rides smoother and more efficient. However, it's still on the heavier side for a folding bike, and some riders have mentioned that the seat isn't the most comfortable for longer trips. Another small issue, there's no built-in locking mechanism for the fold, meaning it may not stay completely secure when carried. If you want a folding bike that's practical, reliable, and offers a bit more versatility, the Schwinn Loop is a fantastic mid-range option. But if you're looking for something even lighter and easier to carry, you might want to check out the next bike on our list. Coming in at number 2 is the ZiZZO Campo 20-inch folding bike, which improves on everything we've seen so far in terms of weight, portability, and ease of use. If you're looking for a folding bike that's light, compact, and user-friendly, this is a fantastic choice. It's only 28 pounds, making it significantly easier to carry compared to the Schwinn Loop and Hinge. The 7-speed Shimano tourney drivetrain provides enough flexibility for casual riders, and the V-brakes offer good stopping power for urban environments. performance. It also has an excellent folding mechanism, making it a great travel companion. Plus, it accommodates a wide range of rider heights, from 4 feet 8 inches to 6 feet 3 inches. That said, it's not perfect. The components are fairly basic, so if you're looking for top-tier performance, you might need to upgrade a few parts. Also, the saddle isn't the most comfortable, especially for longer rides. If you need a lightweight, well-designed folding bike that won't slow you down, the ZiZZO Campo is an excellent pick. But what if you're looking for something with more power, more durability, and more adventure potential? Well, our number 1 pick has got you covered. And finally, taking the number 1 spot as the best adult bike in today's review is the Schwinn Traxion mountain bike. If you're looking for a bike that's built to handle rough terrains, off-road adventures, and more demanding rides, this is the one for you. Unlike the other bikes on our list, the Traxion is a full suspension mountain bike, meaning it offers a much smoother and more controlled ride over bumps, rocks, and trails. With 24-speed Shimano gearing, it's designed to tackle steep inclines and fast descents with ease. The mechanical disc brakes provide reliable stopping power, even in wet or muddy conditions, something that linear pull brakes just can't compete with. The 29-inch wheels and 2.25-inch knobby tires give you more stability and grip on rugged terrain, making this bike an excellent choice for serious riders. Of course, no bike is perfect. The Schwinn Traxion is heavier than some competitors, which might make it a little less nimble on tight trails. The front suspension is non-adjustable, so it won't provide the same level of customization as some higher-end models. And while the components are great for the price, they're still entry-level, meaning advanced riders may want to upgrade certain parts over time. If you want the best bike for adventure riding, mountain trails, or rugged paths, the Schwinn Traxion is easily the top pick. It has the versatility, durability, and performance to handle just about anything you throw at it. So whether you're a weekend warrior or just getting into mountain biking, this bike is a fantastic choice. That wraps up our ranking of the best adult bicycles you can buy right now. If you're interested in any of these bikes, be sure to check out the links in the description below for the best prices. And don't forget, if you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more in-depth product reviews. See you in the next one.